Here's the biggest mistake people make with the Dave app in 2026. They download it expecting instant cash advances without realizing one thing. Dave heavily depends on direct deposit history. So the big question is this: can Dave still work without direct deposit? The short answer is yes, but with important limitations. And honestly, this is where most users get confused. In this video, I'll explain exactly what parts of Dave work without direct deposit, what stops working, whether you can still get cash advances, and the smartest alternatives if you do not have payroll deposits connected. And stay until the end because I'll also explain why some users technically have direct deposits but still do not qualify. Let's get into it. First, yes, you can create a Dave account without direct deposit. You can still download the app, connect a bank account, explore features, and even use some budgeting tools. But here's the problem. The cash advance feature works very differently without consistent income deposits. Dave's entire system is designed around predicting whether you can repay advances safely. And the easiest way for the app to predict repayment is seeing recurring income arrive automatically. That is why direct deposit matters so much. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users without direct deposit can still access smaller advances. But usually, the limits are lower and approval becomes less predictable. For example, Jake works a traditional office job with bi-weekly payroll deposits hitting his account every Friday. Dave sees stable income patterns and may approve higher advances. Meanwhile, Alex freelances online and gets paid through random transfers from different apps. Even if Alex earns good money overall, Dave may struggle to verify consistent income timing. That difference matters more than total income. This is where most people fail. They assume the app only cares about how much money they make. But Dave actually cares more about predictability. Now let's answer the next big question. What counts as direct deposit to Dave? Usually payroll deposits from employers work best. Government benefits can also count in many cases. But random peer-to-peer transfers from Cash App, Venmo, or Zelle usually do not qualify the same way. And this frustrates gig workers sometimes. If your income arrives inconsistently from multiple platforms, the app may have difficulty recognizing stable patterns. Now, here's something important. Dave does not always require traditional 9-to-5 employment. Some users with gig incomes still qualify, but the bank activity needs to look stable enough for the algorithm to trust future repayment. That means regular deposits, steady account balances, and healthy transaction patterns help a lot. In a minute, I'll show you the best way to improve your chances without direct deposit. But first, let's talk about what actually stops working inside the app. The biggest limitation without direct deposit is lower advance access. Many users either receive very small limits or no advance eligibility at all. And honestly, that is the main reason most people download Dave in the first place. Without reliable income verification, the app becomes more of a budgeting platform than an emergency cash tool. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some people technically have direct deposit but still get denied. Why? Because the app looks at more than deposits alone. Frequent overdrafts, negative balances, bounced transactions, and unstable spending patterns can still reduce eligibility. Let's say John receives regular paychecks every 2 weeks. Sounds perfect, right? But his account also goes negative constantly, and multiple bills fail monthly. Dave may still reduce or deny advances because the repayment risk appears too high. So direct deposit helps, but it is not the only factor. Now let's talk about the users most affected by this issue. Gig workers, freelancers, self-employed users, part-time workers with inconsistent schedules, and people paid through multiple platforms. These groups often struggle more with cash advance app approvals because income patterns look less predictable to automated systems. But here's the good news. There are still ways to improve your chances. First, use one primary bank account consistently. This is huge. If your money constantly moves between multiple accounts, the app has trouble identifying stable financial behavior. Second, maintain positive balances when possible. Even small balance cushions help. Third, connect the account where most income activity happens. Do not connect an empty secondary account and expect strong approval odds. And fourth, Build transaction history over time. Older, stable accounts usually perform better than brand new accounts with limited data. Now, here's the problem many people never realize. Some users try to fake direct deposit patterns, using transfers between accounts. That usually does not work long term. Financial apps are getting much smarter at detecting real payroll activity versus manual transfers. So trying to trick the system often backfires. Now let's compare Dave to other apps for users without direct deposit. Apps like Earnin rely heavily on employment verification. Bridget also prefers stable banking behavior. Albert sometimes works better for certain users, but still values recurring deposits. So honestly, most cash advance apps operate similarly in 2026. Predictable income equals lower risk. Lower risk equals higher approval odds. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some people use Dave mainly for budgeting instead of advances. And for that purpose, direct deposit matters less. The app still offers spending tracking, account alerts, and financial management features even if advances remain limited. But let's be real. Most viewers searching this topic care about one thing. Can you still get emergency cash without direct deposit? The answer is maybe, but expectations need to stay realistic. You are less likely to qualify for large advances immediately, and approvals may fluctuate more often. Now let's talk about another common mistake. People sign up for Dave during a financial emergency expecting same-day approval with no account history. This is where most people fail. Financial apps work best when set up before emergencies happen. If you connect your account early, establish banking history, and build stable patterns over time, your chances improve significantly later. Waiting until your account is already negative creates a tougher situation. Now here's something very important. Cash advance apps are not replacements for emergency savings. They are temporary timing tools. And honestly, depending on them every single month can become stressful fast. Let's use a simple example. Jake borrows $75 through Dave before payday. No big deal. But then next paycheck arrives smaller because repayment happens automatically. Now he needs another advance. That cycle can repeat quickly if spending and income stay too tight. That is why these apps work best occasionally, not permanently. Now let's answer the practical question clearly. Should you even try Dave without direct deposit? Yes, if you already have decent banking activity and want to test eligibility. No, if you expect guaranteed high-limit advances immediately without stable deposits. Managing expectations matters here. Now let's summarize everything. Yes, Dave can technically work without direct deposit. You can still create an account and access some features. But cash advance approvals become more limited and less predictable. Direct deposit remains one of the biggest factors affecting eligibility, limits, and transfer speed. Stable income patterns, healthy account balances, and consistent banking behavior all improve your chances dramatically. And even if you do have direct deposit, overdrafts and unstable spending can still hurt approval odds. So the real goal is not just connecting income. It is showing financial stability over time. If this video helped answer your questions about Dave and direct deposit, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns in 2026. And in the comments, tell me whether Dave approved you without direct deposit or not. I want to see how different the experiences are right now.